match up so we can see how the articulation is and whatnot. Here's 42. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I need to hear equal balance of the first and seconds. I'm not getting enough seconds yet. And then exaggerate dots versus dashes. Okay, two things. Balance, dots versus dashes. Here's 42 violins, a little faster. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And a little more length on the eighth notes that have the dashes. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, vibrato, more bow. Again, 42. Set, ready, and. Good. When you have the quarter note before the rest, please make the quarter note go all the way to the rest. Ba ba beep ba ba. Beep ba ba ba. Don't cut off any sooner than that. Add the violas. This is 42. Violins and violas. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And. Everybody at 42. That was a good balance. Thank you. Everybody at 42. A little bit faster. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. And. First violins, measure 49. Okay. Measure 49, not clean. Not clean. Do it one time, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, ready, set, ready, and 1. Play and hold the first A, it didn't match. Match it, ready, go. There we go, same thing, long, short, ready, set, 1. Good, now straight. Beep bop, beep bop, beep bop, beep bop, bop, bop. Ready, set, ready, and. Good. Just be ready. Instant speed when you get there. We can't ease into it. Cellos, right on 50. Right on 50. 2, 3, and 4. And. Good. Can we be a little bit louder on beats 3 and 4? Just crescendo as it goes up a little bit. Give it some shake. Do it again. 2, 3, and 4. And. I like that. That was more interesting to listen to. Everybody's in. This is 49. Also known as 1 before 50. Here's 49. 1, 2. Oh, so what's up? I'll mark it with a question mark. I thought the crescendo was pretty cool. Maybe you just didn't play it very well, and so she wanted to hide you. What? Impossible, right? Yeah. Okay, here's 49. 49. 49. And here we go. Shh. Focus. This is 49. cellos and violas at 59, there needs to be a non-stop diga-daga-diga-daga-diga-daga-da between your two parts. Okay? So when you have a quarter note, listen for the other person's diga-daga. Here we go, 59, cello bass. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry. I'm not good at naming the instruments. Cellos and violas at 59. Basses, that was wonderful. I just don't need it right now. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, and a 4 beat, and okay, try this. If you'll back off of the quarter note just a little more. Dee-da-da-da-da, dee-da-da-da-da. Okay, and not dee-da-da-da-da, dee-da-da-da-da. Try that. That way you're out of the other section's way. Same people. 1, 2, ready, and. Good. The B sharp will get there if we do it a couple more times. Yes, yes, sir. Everybody at 58, please. Everybody at 58. And 1, 2, 58, and. On the last two measures, there is someone moving on 2 and 3 and 4 and. So each one will be shown. Don't jump early. If you're the and of 4, don't move on 4. That's theirs. Here's the last two measures. Last two measures. Oh, and there's a decrescendo. Last two measures. 2, 3, and 4. If you don't have a G sharp on the last chord, play soft. If you do have a G sharp, play just exactly as loud as you just did. Let me hear the last chord. Ready? And. Yes. Just so we understand why we did that, cellos play a G natural. Everybody else play the same note. Here's the new altered last chord. Together, together. Here's the new last chord. Ready? And. Now as written. Ready? And. What's the difference? One's happy, one's sad. Meaning
Minor versus major.
minor versus major. Go to the top. From the top. Yes. Measure 1. Yep. I'm going to try this speed. Make the 16th notes light so we don't get bogged down. I regret the amount of caffeine I consumed during the PSAT. Let's rein that in just a little bit and not rush. Okay? So, we're going to think about the 16th notes before we start. I should have done that before. So we're going to think and make that our tempo. Here we go. Okay? And 1, 2, beginning, and. Don't rush the 8s. constant sense between the two parts of tut, 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 like one continuous voice. Okay? So, here's the eighth note. Make your part all fit into this same line, this same stream. Here we go. Second violas. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And. The staccato eighth note is losing a little bit of pitch. Can you start the staccato note from on the string, even though it's short? Ba, 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 ba. Add the first violins who play the downstem notes. If you play the inside first violin part, would you join us? This is measure 12. Measure 12. 1, 2, ready, and. Okay. Try something. When you have 8 rests on each one, I want you to say tss, tss. So you have tss, 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 tss. So you have to speak and play at the same time. It's fun. Here we go. Yes, you can. And 1, 2, ready, and. Okay, try it again. The reason you're doing this is going on your rest is doing this for yourself instead of a guy in a funny looking tie doing it for you. Do it again. 1, 2, ready, and. Add the other firsts. Add the other firsts. You play, and when you have an 8th rest, instead of silence, you. Here we go. So all the violins and the violas at 12. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And. Good. That was more accurate entrances, a more steady pulse. Faster. 11. You don't have to anymore. You just have to think it. Faster at 12. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. Measure 6. Measure 6 and we keep going. And 1, 2, measure 6. tempo, sleepo.